Just place a garlic clove on your knee tonight and watch what happens by morning. It sounds too simple, almost unbelievable, but this is one of those hidden kitchen secrets that people only understand. After they try it, let's start. From the beginning, take a whole head of garlic. Don't feel it, that outer layer holds more than you think. Now grab a knife and slice it into thin pieces, keeping everything intact as you cut. You'll notice the strong aroma. That's exactly what we want. This is where the process begins. Next, take half an onion. Again, no need to peel it. Slice it into thin rings and set it aside with the garlic. It may look simple, but combining these layers together creates something far more interesting than each ingredient alone. Now take fresh ginger, peel it lightly, and slice it into thin rounds. As you cut through it, you'll notice its texture and scent. This is the final piece that completes the base of this mixture. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Once everything is prepared, grab a clean glass jar with a lid. Start placing all the sliced ingredients inside. There's no exact order, just make sure everything fits comfortably. At this point, it might not look like much, but this is where everything starts to come together. Now here's the step most people overlook. Place a cloth at the bottom of a pot and fill it with water. Carefully set your jar inside. Then open the jar and pour extra virgin olive oil over the ingredients until they are fully covered. Don't leave anything exposed. This part is essential. Turn the heat on low and let it sit gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. As the warmth builds slowly, something happens inside that jar. The oil begins to absorb everything from the ingredients, changing gradually in color and consistency. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home by morning. Many people notice the difference: less pain reduced, stiffness, and easier movement with consistent use. That relief becomes more noticeable, helping you feel lighter and more flexible. You may also start to notice improved comfort during everyday activities, like walking, bending, or even standing for long periods. After the time is up, remove the jar carefully and let it cool down slightly. Then strain the liquid into another container, separating it from the solids. What you're left with is a smooth golden oil, simple in appearance but very different from how it started. Now comes the part you've been waiting for. Take a small amount of this oil and apply it directly to the area where you feel pain: knees, shoulders, wrists, or lower back. Massage it slowly using circular motions, allowing it to settle into the skin. For best results, use it twice a day. And if you want to take it further, apply it before bed and cover the area lightly. While you sleep, it stays in contact, working quietly without interruption. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Try it for a few days and pay attention to how your body responds. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the ones that have been sitting in your kitchen all along. If you test it, come back and tell me where you're watching from and how it felt.